saplings. We're going to do a recap lesson today. So let's do it together. A, S, D, T, E. Your turn. Excellent. Next one. P, G, O, K, K. Your turn. Excellent, saplings. O, B, F, E, L. Your turn. Superstar, saplings. Sh, J, Y, W. Your turn. Excellent, saplings. Z, ch, qu, x, ng. We'll do that one together again. Z, ch, qu, x, ng. Your turn. Excellent. Last one. Ng. Ng. Brilliant, saplings. These are our set one sound saplings. So well done. We've covered all of them and we have done a recap lessons. I would like you to say that all these sounds to the person next to you. Then your challenge today is tell the people who are in your household all the words that go with this sound. So if I point at the D sound, then you can say to your adult or your sibling, dog, dog. Excellent, saplings. Or if your adult points at the L sound, you can say leg, light. Enjoy this task, saplings. I'm really, really proud of you.